Hello everyone, welcome back to the computer class. We were doing chapter number 3, lists in HTML. In today's class, we will learn about tables. Tables are used to display data in a meaningful way in the form of rows and columns. It makes our data look more organized. Now what is a row? The horizontal group of data represents the row and the vertical group of data represents our column. When we use tables in HTML, there are few tags that we have to use. The first tag is table tag. This is used to create the table. TR tag is used to create a table row. Caption is used to create title. The TH tag is used to create column heading. TD tag is used to create a cell in a row. Let's see the few attributes that are used in a table. First is border. It is used to give width of the table border. Cell padding. It specifies the space between data and the cell. Cell spacing specifies the space between the cells. BG color defines the table's background color. Border color is used to change the color of the border. V-align is used to align the cell contents vertically, top, middle or bottom. And no wrap is used to turn off the word wrapping. By default, word wrapping is turned on. Let's use these tags and attributes and create a table in HTML. Before we start the coding of HTML, I would like to show you the expected output that I would like to create. I want to create a table with 4 rows and 3 columns. I want to have the table headings as roll number, student name and marks, and I will fill the data in these 2 columns which will be left aligned and the third column will be in the center align, and I will leave the marks of Ria as an empty cell. So we will do the coding for this output. Let's see the coding. On the screen you can see 2 windows. The left hand side window shows the notepad file which holds the coding of my table, and right hand side is the table that is my output. So simultaneously I will show you both so that it's easy for you to understand what exactly I am typing in my coding. The first tag is my HTML tag. It is the beginning of HTML. Next is my head tag, under which I have given the title as Learning Tables in HTML. After typing the title, I will close the head and I will start the body. Body is the main part where our actual coding starts. Now, as I have to create a table, so I have to give the table tag. Along with this, I am giving the border attribute and I am mentioning the border size as 2. Let's give the background color to one code. This is going to turn my background color of the table as aqua color. Now I will create a row. So I will use the tag TR, under which I will give my heading, that is with the help of TH tag. So I will give my first heading as roll number. Now the second heading will be student name and my third heading will be marks. All these will be under TH tag. I will open the TH tag, I will write down the heading and I will close my TH tag. Once I have given all the 3 headings, I have created 3 rows. So I will close my TR tag. This was my first row. That means look into the output. The roll number, student name and marks. The first line is created with this coding. Now let's create the second line. So in the second line again I will create a table row with the help of tr tag. And inside this I will fill my data. Now here I will not use th because th is used to give the table heading. Here I will use td tag, which is used to give the table data. My table data is roll number 1, student name is Rohan and marks is 89. So all these three information I will enter in td tag. So first I will open the td tag, I will enter the information and I will close the td tag. So thrice I have given these because I have 3 columns and I have filled 3 information. Once my row 2 is complete, I will close the tr tag for row 2. Now it's turn for my row 3. So for row 3 again I will open tr tag. Now for the row 3, let's see the data. It is roll number 2, name is Pooja and marks is 90. So again all these 3 lines will be filled with TD. Once the TD is done, I will close TR for my third row. Now it's turn for creating the fourth and my last row. The data here is roll number 3 and student name is Ria and I will leave the marks as empty. Now if you will notice, these are center aligned. So along with TD I have used center attribute to put it in the center of the table. So along with the center tag I have used 3 as my data and then close my TD tag. Similarly, I have given the Ria name in the student name. Now, when I have to leave the cell as empty, I will not fill any information. Rather, I will open TD and close TD without entering any data. Once my fourth row is complete, I will close it with the help of TR. Now my table is complete. I will close my table tag. I will close my body tag. I will close my HTML tag. Once all the tags are closed, I will save my file by clicking on File and selecting Save As option. From here, you can select your desired location and give the file name, table or whatever you want to give the file name with the extension .html. This table is already saved, so I will select the name and click on save and replace my old file. Now if I will open this file, it will look like this. Learning tables in HTML will be the title that will appear at the top of my screen and below this will be the output of my coding. I hope tables are clear to you. I hope this entire session is clear to you. Let's meet in the next session. Goodbye.